Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today, as you can see, we are going to make these flatbreads. We're gonna puff like this. Every single bread that you're gonna make, every single chapati that we call them in Hindi, you're gonna puff like this. And they're perfect meal in themselves, and they are called detox rotis as well. We're gonna know why. So let's make them. So we have taken this palak, which is called spinach. So we are going to pour some water and grind them. Make sure that you take here fresh spinach leaves only, no stems. So here it's ready. So now we're gonna take the whole wheat flour and pour this mixture of palak and water into this. I'm gonna knead a dough. This should not be too hard or too soft. It should be something like this. So you have to knead it for like 15 minutes and then give it a rest of 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're gonna take a small portion out of it and then roll it up like this, and then take even smaller portion out of it, and then with the help of the rolling stone or rolling wood and your one palm, do this thing. So you'll get a soft smooth ball like this, then flatten them with your finger or hand. Then take two of these flattened balls and then do this with your hands. It will increase their surface area. That will make it easier for us to roll them later on. So now take one of these, use the dry flour so that they don't stick to the rolling stone or rolling wood and the roller, and then roll them like this in this manner. It's very easy. And this is a perfect meal because it has palak, that means spinach, and the whole wheat flour both in it, and it's very digestible. So that's why we are calling it the detox rotis. And if you just eat it in hunger with just a little bit of ghee, Indian butter, then you're going to eat tens of these. So we are putting the griddle on the stove, and when it is at the right temperature, we're gonna put one on it. So when one side is cooked like this, a little bit of spots gonna appear on it, then put another and place that spotted side over it, and then take both of them and flip, and then take the top one and then flip. Now this one is uncooked side, then when the downside is cooked, then flip them again. This one is flipped on the both sides, so we're gonna put it on the gas and look at it. It's puffing instantly. So with this recipe, when you're gonna make these flatbreads, they're gonna puff. Every single one of them are gonna puff like this. See the another one, same thing. And this is very easy to make. So we're gonna make rest of them just like this. This is a very healthy flatbread or chapati. It has all the goodness of whole wheat flour, which means all the fibers are in it still intact, and the goodness of spinach, iron and all that greenness that we want. So if you like the video, hit the like button and make sure that you share it with your friends and family. And if you want more of these videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you get all the videos when we post them. So in case you were wondering, we applied some fresh cream and sprinkled a little bit of salt in between them. This is very tasty combination, guys. Try this and live your life happy, healthy and guilt-free. And if you have any doubt or queries related to this, make sure that you reach out to me through comments down below. Thanks for watching the whole video. See you in the next video, guys.